My friend said to me that you can buy absolutely anything off Temu, and I said, I bet you can't buy wallpaper. So he said, if you can buy wallpaper, you have to put it on your wall. So I placed a bet, searched for wallpaper on Temu. Lo and behold, there was loads of it. I chose 2 different wallpapers, placed my order, and within a week or so, the wallpaper had arrived at my door. All in a nice, easy package like this. This was the first choice, a thick, self-adhesive wallpaper. And this is the second choice, the wood effect one. Again, this is self-adhesive. Now, before we get into the video, the self-adhesive on the thick wallpaper has this little tag here. And you do not want to lose this, because if you do, you will have a nightmare getting the sticky back off the back of the wallpaper. Trust me, learn from my experience, and either pull a bit extra where you cut from the line of the wallpaper, because if you don't, you'll have an absolute nightmare. Now this was the wall I had to cover. I was a bit lazy and didn't take the wallpaper off, and these are the results. Personally, I think it looks fine. I was actually very surprised. It's thick, it feels warm. For Temu wallpaper, I am not complaining. And for the price, I've added a picture here. Again, this picture was off Temu. I think it sets off the wall brilliantly. This is an IKEA frame it's been put in, but I think it looks absolutely fine. The wallpaper, the picture, I was very pleasantly surprised. Now, if you've never used Temu, check out the link in the description where I've added an affiliate link. I will get a little bit of payback. It'll cost you no extra. However, you will get big bonuses by using that link in the description. Let us know in the comments what you think of this wallpaper. Would you be putting Temu wallpaper on your wall? Let us know. I lost the bet and had to do it, and I'm quite happy about that actually. So let us know in the comments below if you'll be buying some.